What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I got 10 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got. For the first gadget, this is a potato ricer. Looks very interesting and different. Let's stick one in and spin it. That is hilarious. Maybe I need to put in another potato. I thought it'd push it in a lot better. It's kinda getting stuck on this end. So I don't know about that. Okay, it's doing it. There you go. Now we're going. Wow, that is cool. Look at that. Alright, another big potato. Stuff it and spin it. You kind of have to stuff it on this side. For some reason, doesn't want to go in. This spiral could be better. Alright, it's going good now. There you go. Whenever I put potato in here, I almost have to stuff it in there because it doesn't go in. Like potato too big or something, but once I push it in a little bit, it goes in well. I like overly complicated gadgets. This is also potato ricer, does the same thing, except it has a really good design right here, like gears, so that way to reduce the like difficulty of ricing it, and also it goes from the sides. So you love mashed potatoes, no problem. Cut these potatoes in half. Boom. Look at that. It has so much leverage because of these gears. It's just going in so good. Make sure you boil potatoes all the way to where they're very soft, and then it's a piece of cake or piece of potato. Or the other option right here with the smaller ricer or bigger pieces, but also you can put it over the pot and easy to clean as well. Kind of too big, should cut it in half, but let's try this. Oh yeah, ricing it a bit more difficult, that's for sure, than the other one, but you have nice riced potato. I can remove this blade on that, ricer, and then put the bigger pieces in there, stick this back in, and let's see what happens. Smaller potatoes, big potatoes cut in half, and then this is just satisfying, and then just much thicker. Depends what you prefer. Much thicker obviously would be easier. Half a potato. It'll take full potato if it's cut in half. Yeah, that would be a lot easier, but feels like a little bit more flimsy than the second one. I think my favorite would be second one. Pop the top. This has gotta be the best bottle opener. Check this out. Boom, super fast. Oh, easy. I don't know what's up with that hiccup. Oops, too hard. But the best part is I don't like having a magnet catch in the cup, because I can go as many cups as I want, like so this is nice. There is some with the magnets, those are not my favorite. I like the one that is just pops the in, drops the cup. Got it here, egg separator. So just open it and boom, and you can do like, looks like a few at the time. So it cracks it right here, put it in here, and I think what we'll have to do is just kind of swirl it around. Maybe one at a time would have been better. Oh no, one got mushed up. Yeah, so let's try to do this again, but one at a time. There you go. Put it in, and then what you want to do is swirl it around like this, and it should be able to go in. Looks like this is a stubborn eggs. Looks like it's just going to be all day. It's supposed to go to this middle over there, and it's not working that well. So I think test is over. This is good idea, cool idea, but looks like it's just not working. Here's one of the coolest egg choppers. So you got boiled eggs, and place one like this. You can go this way or this way, and one for the chopping. Let's see what happens. Kind of line it up down this way and slice it, dice it, and quarter it. Boom, we got right here quarters, sliced up really good for the salad. Make it beautiful. And open this up. You have right here diced up egg. Cut it in half, put it in here, and then dice it, and that way you have much smaller pieces, not those long pieces. It will be like This is probably the best pizza slicer or just overall really cool knife. First of all, it spins. If you press the brake, it will not spin that easily. You just hold the brake, it will not spin. If you let go brake, spins, slides. Ooh, I'm cutting through this thing. Well, better this than table. Anyways, let's try this out. It is very sharp. Look, it's cutting through this. Let's get a hot dog and try to slice it up without a brake. This is cool. So just imagine what you could use it for. Maybe slicing it like that, but pizza cutter would be the best. But yeah, for the pizza easy, wanted to make it really messy. I'll then open this. How do we clean it? Open that way, take the blade out. Beautiful. Not sure how to sharpen it, probably easiest to just buy a new blade, but for pizza cutter it probably sharp enough. Got it here AirCork for 1 bottle. Got it here white wine, good for cooking, and then just pump it up and it's going to seal it just like that. Boom. And now there's no oxygen, so the wine will stay longer. And whenever you're done and want to release it, press this, the button right here, and it will release it. And boom, you can use it, and whenever you can use it for cooking, whatever. And then when you're ready to seal it again, just push it in and pump it up. And as you can see, it can go quite a bit deeper in the bottle. Soda can lids, let's see what they're all about. So first of all, we open it, and in case kids want to drink that. No way, is it going to actually work? Oh, how does this work? It definitely sealed there really well. It holds in there really tight, does not come off. How do we remove the straw? Oh wow, it opens up this way, then closes this way. That is insane. That is so cool. Then just tilt it and drink it, and when we're done, close it, and it's sealed, air sealed. Wow, it's not pouring. It's seeping through a little bit from the pressure, but it actually works. I love it. And there's like sparkling water inside these things, healthy options as well. So I really like that option for little kids, 2 years old, 3 years old, toddlers I would say. That way they won't spill it as much. I like it. And easier to drink it. I got it here double clip and a funnel. So in case you run out of soap, use soap, any kind of soap. You can transfer it from one bottle to the other. Just put the funnel in, grab it, and then flip it over and hold it. And it has a really high viscosity, so you can wait and it is going to transfer all the soap. And this is how it looks like, simple. The bottle is almost empty, so it's pretty light. And just slowly pouring all the soap. It's still pouring. I know how to show it to you. I guess this way you see it's still pouring the soap. Very, very slowly, as you can see. So that way I can sit and wait and transfer all of the soap. That's pretty amazing. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.